Here's the coziest beef stew you can have this autumn. Start by slicing mushrooms, carrots, and onions, then set them aside. Season cubed beef with salt and pepper and set aside. Bring a large pot to heat and add oil and butter. Add the meat and brown the cubes on both sides. Transfer to a plate, then add the sliced mushrooms. Cook them for a few minutes, then add the onions and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Mince 3 garlic cloves, add them in, and cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add tomato paste and mustard and fry them for another 30 seconds. Deglaze with red wine and scrape the bottom of the pot. Add oregano, Worcestershire sauce, and beef stock. Return the beef to the pot and add some granulated sweetener. Bring to a boil, then drop the heat to low. Cook for an hour, then add cubed pumpkin and the carrots you sliced earlier. Cover and cook for another 45 minutes. Transfer half a cup of the stew liquid to a bowl. Add xanthan gum and whisk until dissolved. Return the slurry to the stew and stir it in. Bring back to a simmer, then take off the heat. Garnish with parsley and serve.